Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to hide content on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go within Library. And now we should have content available on screen within our library on the Photos application. Let's just click a photo. Right click. Hide one photo. We should receive a prompt on screen that says hide one photo. This photo will be hidden from all places in your library but can be found in the hidden album. That's okay. Click on hide. So that's one photo gone. Let's click on a video. Same thing, right click, hide. Should receive a prompt again on screen which pretty much says the same thing. Click on hide. And now let's highlight and click on a photo and a video. Highlight, right click, hide two items, and then we have that prompt again on screen. Let's click on hide. So we have now hidden two videos and two images. For us to then access that content, we would have to go to view, show hidden photo album, and then we have it on screen. On the left hand side navigation menu, we have a folder that's called hidden. Click on this and there we go. All the content that was hidden by ourselves, no longer visible in library but visible within that secret hidden folder within the Photos application. So we can also remove that hidden folder again if we need to by clicking on view, hide hidden photo album. So that now has vanished. Once we click on library, we can then no longer access the content until we view that hidden album. So we can now quit photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.